If you think lemonade's the most refreshing drink, you haven't tried this recipe yet. We'll use 5 or 6 passion fruits. Cut in half, they release an aroma hinting at the deliciousness to come. Place them neatly in a saucepan. Then add enough water to fully cover them, ensuring they're completely submerged. Add 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks and a few cloves. Cover and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. In a bowl, carefully mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with half a cup of cold water, stirring well to avoid lumps. Pour this into the passion fruit mix. Stir and cook for 10 more minutes until it thickens into a creamy, refreshing drink. We remove the cinnamon sticks to avoid overpowering flavor and let the mix cool completely. This is where the blender magic begins. Once it's cold, we'll add the entire mixture to the blender and blend for about a minute to ensure it's smooth with no chunks. Next, we'll strain it calmly to remove any residue, ensuring the drink is perfectly smooth and ready to enjoy. If you're still watching this recipe, you're clearly fascinated and a true passion fruit lover. If so, comment below saying I love passion fruit for a special shout out in my next recipe. Don't miss this chance. After straining, we add some back to the blender for that final touch that'll wow everyone. Now we add 2 cups of ice-cold milk to make this drink refreshing from start to finish. For balanced sweetness, we'll add a cup of condensed milk. It'll blend perfectly with the passion fruit, creating a creamy, sweet delight. We'll blend again for a minute to perfectly combine all ingredients and achieve that creamy texture we're after. Get a large, chilled glass and fill it with ice. Carefully pour the mixture into the glass. Here's where you can get creative. Garnish as you like. Whipped cream, fresh fruit, or even lemon zest for a zesty contrast.